And actually, Yolanda is eating an apple, and something magical is happening in her body.
Now, I'm start consuming my energy.
When our body is working, cell respiration plays an important role to make energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate from organic compounds. Cell respiration has several stages, and besides the first stage, glycolysis happens in the cytoplasm, the others happen in the mitochondria. The outer mitochondrial membrane separates the contents inside a mitochondria from the rest of the cell. The inner mitochondrial membrane contains electron transport chains and ATP synthesis, while the matrix contains enzymes for the Krebs cycle and the link reaction. And the cristae are projections of the inner membrane.
I am a chemical molecule who has 6 carbons in my body. I have the potential to give you energy.
Hi, glucose, we want to be friends with you.
Then we need ATP's help. Then they proceed a phosphorylation reaction, which is adding a phosphate to reduce the energy required making ATP. Then the glucose is split into 3 carbon sugar phosphates.
Whoa! I'm the electron carrier, NAD+, and now I will grab 2 hydrogens. Now I'm NADH+. This gives me energy to become ATP. Bye-bye, carbon.
The 2 phosphates leave 3 carbon groups after NAD+ become NADH+, and the ATP produced. The 2 3-carbon sugar phosphate became 2 pyruvates with net yield of 2 ATP and 2 NADH+. Glycolysis is ended by the play of cell respiration.
怎么了？
Everyone, today I'm going to talking about link reaction, and which is the second step in the aerobic respiration. And it transport pyruvate to the mitochondria matrix and convert it into acetyl coenzyme A. And at the beginning, the pyruvate loses a carbon, and which reaction will call oxidation. And this carbon composed with the oxygen and to form carbon dioxide, and which also called decarboxylation. The other 2 carbons compounds with acetyl group, and the NAD plus will to become NADH plus H plus, and the aerobic group combines with coenzyme A and to become acetyl coenzyme A, and which will go into the next step, Krebs cycle. And per glucose molecule will involve 2 NADH plus H plus and 2 acetyl coenzyme A and 2 carbon dioxide. Yes.
Krebs cycle. The second stage, which right after link reaction, is called Krebs cycle. The products of link reaction, acetyl coenzymes A, come out and enter into the Krebs cycle. First, acetyl coenzymes A releases 2 carbon to join with a 4-carbon compound molecule, oxyolostate, to make a 6-carbon compound molecule, citrate. Then, coenzyme A go back to link reaction to form new acetyl coenzyme A, which is like a recycling of enzymes. Second, citrate proceeds decarboxylation as electron carrier NAD+ reduced to NADH+, which results in a loss of 1 carbon, then a 5-carbon compound molecule formed. The formation of all proton generated by Krebs cycle are sent to crystinium to electron transport channel, ETC. Third, 4 carbon compound molecule formed as second NAD+ reduced to NADH+. Fourth, an enzyme there catalyzes production of ATP by adding inorganic phosphate to ADP. It's called substrate level phosphorylation. Then, third NAD+ reduced to NADH+, and FAD reduced to FADH+ as well. After rearrangement, oxyolostate, the starting 4 carbon compound is regenerated by oxidation of maltate. There are 2 cycles for the Krebs cycle, one for each pyruvate. The net yield of the Krebs cycle is that 2 ADP formed, 4 carbon dioxide released, and 6 NADH+, and 2 FADH+. The proton the Krebs cycle generated will send into the electron transport channel ultimately.
ETC, electron transport chain, is the stage of cell respiration after Krebs cycle. It is take place in the inner membrane called cristae in mitochondria. The 3 proteins on the cristae are called cytochrome, and the last is the ATP synthase for the chemiosmosis. NADH plus and FADH2, which is produced before, will release the hydrogen ion through the first 2 cytochromes. The electron will also be released and transport along the inner membrane. There will be many hydrogen ions in the intermembrane space, and now is the part of chemiosmosis. The hydrogen will go back to the cell through the ATP synthase, and as it goes through the ATP synthase, it will rotate it so ADP can become ATP. This is where the most ATP is made. To make this happen in only one direction, the concentration of hydrogen ion must be always high in the intermembrane space. So the third cytochrome will reduce the electron by combining with oxygen to slow down this process, and the water is formed. This is the end of the whole cell respiration. One glucose can make 38 ATPs.